Welcome to Planter Garden TV, back with another video. This is an update on my bell pepper them. So far the growth of these bell pepper is really well, and I'm actually seeing peppers on most of them. They naturally have on pepper on most of the pepper plant. So let's walk through and look at the pepper plant them. If you notice, you can see pepper flowers actually growing up on these plants here. This is another one right here. This is another one right here. So let's go down to the bottom and I'm going to show you what's going on. This is another one. You see this pepper, guys? If you notice the one inside there, you're gonna see pepper on it. The thing with these pepper plant now, these pepper plant already develop their root and they already develop their growing, their pace. Now, I don't really have to do too much to these pepper, because these pepper already take off already. So what I'm noticing, I'm naturally noticing that I'm gonna get some real pretty tall pepper trees. Some of them I didn't split them. I don't really like to split them sometimes. How you split them, you take off their top and you split them. So sometimes they come up just like this. If you take off the top, you see they branch off separate ways. Even this one. But even you don't split them, they still eventually gonna branch off anyway. You see this one here? This one? Exactly. It branch off anyway. So the truth is, sometimes I pick off their top, because why I pick off their top? Sometimes it spreads. When I want them to spread and grow fast, I pick off them top and they start spreading. But these pepper tree, they spread regardless. Whether you pick their top or you don't pick their top, they're gonna spread regardless. I've been growing these peppers for over maybe about 10 to 11 years now. So I understand this breed of pepper and how this breed of pepper operate. And I usually get them to grow up to 8 feet tall, which I'm gonna be trying it this year as well. I grew a pepper tree, a poblano pepper tree last year. That's the stalk right there. Yes, I grew that last year and I grew it up to 10 feet. This is one, if you see this one, I already staked this one already, because this one is ready to take off. And it have on pepper. As you see, it have pepper already. These are pretty short for now because they were struggling, but trust me, in a few weeks from now, you're gonna see these pepper up in the air, loaded with pepper. So far, the growth of the bell pepper them is really well, as usual. Now, if you notice what I'm doing, I'm actually trying to stake them out now. The reason why I like to stake my pepper out early, because I don't wanna be ponging down stake when their roots start to spread, and then when I pong down the stake actually gonna be, might even damage their root. And you don't want to damage your plant root. You want your plant to grow. So try to stake them early before their roots start to spread out, because you know you need to have a stake very close to hold up the body of the plant. So you don't want to be beating down stakes while the plant root is spread. Then you might pong the stake right through the root and you create a situation. These plants already on their way of great production. They're already on their way, and it ain't much I can do anymore to these plants but clean away the weeds from around them. That's the most I can do right now. Other than that, they're on their way to greatness. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.